Grandma's secret recipe for mistakes. Kids' English learning story with fun activities. Welcome to Artzy Monkey, a fun and magical place where stories come alive. Grandma's secret recipe for mistakes. Ellie loved to bake with her Grandma June. Every Sunday, they mixed flour, sugar, and giggles in the cozy kitchen that smelled like vanilla dreams. One rainy afternoon, Ellie was helping Grandma make cookies for the school fair. She carefully followed the recipe: 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 spoon of, oops, the spoon slipped. Splash! Half the bottle of salt fell right into the bowl. Oh no! Ellie cried. I ruined it. But Grandma June just smiled. My dear, you just discovered a new recipe. Let's call it salty surprise cookies. Ellie giggled nervously. They'll taste awful, Grandma winked. You never know until you try. So they baked them anyway. When the timer dinged, the cookies looked normal, golden brown and perfect. But when Grandma took a bite, her face twisted. Whoa! These taste like the ocean. Ellie covered her mouth. I told you. Instead of throwing them away, Grandma said, We can fix this. She melted chocolate, crushed some nuts, and added a drizzle of honey on top. They tried again. Yum, said Ellie. Now they're sweet and salty. At the school fair, everyone loved them. What are these called? Asked a boy. Ellie smiled proudly. Grandma's secret recipe for mistakes. Later, Grandma whispered, See, Ellie? Mistakes are like ingredients. They make life delicious if you mix them right. Moral of the story: mistakes are part of learning. Sometimes they lead to the sweetest results. Funny moment: when Grandma pretended to surf on the kitchen floor, shouting, Too much salt! It's a cookie tsunami. Now, let us start our coloring page challenge. You can draw these on the piece of paper and start coloring uncommon. Parents can join too. Now let us start our activities. Word search. Baking fun. Find these words hidden in the grid below. Learn the meaning of the words flour. Flour makes dough thick. Learn the usage of the words sugar. Sugar is used for adding sweetness. Learn the usage of the words salt. Salt is used for balancing the flavor. Learn the usage of the words chocolate. Chocolate is added for yumminess. Learn the usage of the words honey. Honey make food sticky and shiny. Hope you learnt baking today with us. Remember to color the page to enjoy baking. Thank you for watching Artzy Monkey channel. We will be introducing more activities for children to learn daily. Please like and subscribe to our Artzy Monkey channel.